In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the position tool for sizing in Tradingview. Whether you're just starting out in trading or you're refining your skills, understanding how to effectively size your trades is a key part of managing risk and maximizing potential profits. The position tool in Tradingview is a powerful feature that helps you visualize your trade setup, calculate position sizes, and maintain discipline in your trading plan. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's dive in and learn how to use this tool step by step. To start, open Tradingview and navigate to the chart of the asset you want to trade. This could be a stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, or any other instrument available on Tradingview. Once your chart is ready, look to the left-hand toolbar and find the Prediction and Measurement Tools menu. This is where you'll find the Position tool. The icon for this menu typically looks like a diagonal ruler or an arrow. If you don't see it at first glance, take a moment to hover over the icons to locate it. This menu is essential because it contains the tools you'll use for trade sizing and analysis. Now, click on the menu to expand it. Here you'll notice two options related to positions, the Long Position tool and the Short Position tool. Choose the Long Position tool if your strategy involves buying and you expect the price to rise. Alternatively, select the Short Position tool if your plan is to sell and profit from a price drop. Picking the right tool is crucial because it sets up the framework for your trade. Once you've selected the tool that matches your trading plan, it's time to place it on the chart. Click once on the chart at your intended entry price. This will anchor the position tool to that level. Keep in mind that the exact placement can always be adjusted later, but for now, aim to place it as close as possible to your planned entry point. After placing the tool, you'll see a box appear on the chart. This box represents your trade setup. Next, drag the top of the box to set your take profit level. This is the price at which you'd like to exit the trade with a profit. Setting this level is important because it defines your goal for the trade. Then, drag the bottom of the box to set your stop loss level. This is the price at which you'll exit the trade to limit your losses if the market moves against you. The stop loss level is a critical component of risk management as it helps protect your capital. Now that your position tool is on the chart, let's configure its settings for accurate calculations. Right-click on the position tool and select the settings option. Here, you'll need to input some key details about your trade. Start by entering your account size. This ensures that all calculations are based on your actual trading capital. Next, set your risk percentage. This is the portion of your account that you're willing to risk on this particular trade. A common rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1% of your account on any single trade, but you can adjust this based on your risk tolerance. After setting your risk percentage, input your planned entry price, your stop loss level, and your take profit level. These details allow the position tool to calculate your trade parameters precisely. Once you've entered this information, take a moment to review the displayed metrics on the tool. You'll see the calculated position size, the risk to reward ratio, and your potential profit or loss. These automated calculations save you time and ensure that your trade sizing aligns with your overall strategy. With everything configured, let's interpret the visual feedback on the chart. You'll notice a red zone below your entry price. This area represents your potential loss if the price hits your stop loss level. Above your entry price, you'll see a green zone. This area shows your potential reward if the price reaches your take profit level. The tool also displays real-time stats in the middle, including your risk-reward ratio, position size, and potential dollar amounts. These visual cues help you quickly assess whether the trade setup meets your criteria. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of using the position tool. First, it helps you maintain discipline by preventing you from taking excessive risk on any single trade. By sticking to a consistent risk percentage, you can protect your account from large losses. Second, the tool's automated calculations simplify the process of determining position sizes, ensuring your trades are sized correctly every time. And third, the visual representation of risk versus reward allows you to make more informed decisions. By seeing the potential downside and upside side by side, you can evaluate whether the trade aligns with your strategy and avoid emotional decision-making. And there you have it. That's how to use the position tool in Tradingview to size your trades effectively and stay disciplined in your approach. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.